Hello, Parvez. How are you? I hope you're doing well. There is a form about become a vendor. So there is an option in the back end. If I log in, well, there every vendor there is an option for verification. So if I go to verification, so you can find three options: phone, ID card, trade license. So if I go to update, any vendor can update their verification data. So actually what you need, so you can push to the your vendor to verify this data. So if I come here, so if anyone uh, verify their data, so you can get from the notification as well as the from this user verification request. So go to the verification request, then the data will come here. So that's the information you want to. If you want to put the become a vendor page, though I can put there if you need actually, or if is okay for now at that option, so it is okay. So there is the one vendor cannot add this. So I fix the things. So if I go as a vendor, uh, mm, if I go as a vendor, so vendor can add the car now, so you can check. So I hope it's working. Yeah, and you said user can books the say the number and date. Okay, at least one date or minimum date. So if you go to the vendor option for the pricing tab, so there is the option for like minimum day stay requirement and minimum advance reservation. So if I pick three, that means you have to reservation before 3 days ago, and the minimum request, so a minimum stay request. So if I pick two, that means you have to book for 2 days. So this is the mandatory. So that's option already added, and need the review screen that way. Okay, so if I go to that page, uh, okay, so if I go to that page, so I actually update the page as well the design as, and also add the option, are you looking for the render for someone else? So if I pick yes, so you can take the arranger name and information. So that is the things I added. So yeah, I hope it's worked for you. And then five, dashboard for, okay, review. Yeah, I have added the review workable. So if you can check the review option, there is a review for those type of cars. So if I view the car, so there is a review come up here, and vendor and user can put the review from here. So there is a okay, it's working. And the sixth number is some location. So how can you pick the location? So go to location, add the location as you want, but there is the option for home page templates. So go to the template, as I use this template for the home page. So you can go here and change your number. As I pick 8 number, so you can see the home page has 8 location on the top. The other will show the below of the location. Like look, there's 8 location and other will come down. So I hope you understand how can you manage the location listing. Okay, now under the admin setting car booking deposit. Okay, so I add an option for vendor a booking deposit in currency. So if you put the currency or if you put the booking deposit, so when any customer wants to book any car, he will show this message. If you put the booking deposit, or if any what you can say, the vendor put the deposit from his entry, so then it will come. Other than the system, what the system like admin put the things, that will come the deposit option. So there is a $20. So if I go pick a date, like there is a calendar, so I pick a date, okay, and pick a number, pick a delivery point, so book now. So look, that was the 20 for the deposit amount, so that will come to the look, that will come to the deposit amount. So that's not 50% of the amount that what I pick the entry that will come here. So I hope it's work for you. Okay, so 8 number is setting can put location ads. Okay, so for you I have added advanced things means if you go to news and want to add any news, so there is a two option for you I put here. One is for car wise, okay, car wise. One is for location wise. So if you go to any location wise, so like location wise, let me show you location, and location was Suda. Like I choose, so sorry, Suva. So I pick this news and other news for Suva. So if I go to Suva location, then under the Suva location, the news will come here. So let me, well, I refresh the data. So what the news I contain, so it can be car wise. So if I pick the vintage plus car, so save here, so it will come the look under the location, okay, and also the car wise. So if I go the vintage car, like vintage car, so this news related to vintage cars, so the news will come here under the car. So that's the option I added. So both way it will work. I hope you understand and you be delighted. Okay, how to set up entity email address. Okay, so it will work after the main domain and you have to set up the email, then it will work to vendor and admin. Then the manual setting. Okay, so if you need any individual menu settings, so let me know. Let me know. I will record a session to you. Then it will work for you. I hope you understand. If you need any change or requirement, please let me know. Definitely, I will work for you. Thank you.